Did you know Tesla has been declared dead more times than almost any company in modern history? And every time it came back louder, stranger, and more dangerous to ignore? Tesla was never built like a normal company, because Elon Musk was never trying to build a normal company. From the outside, Tesla looks like a success story. From the inside, it often felt like a countdown. A countdown to the next deadline, the next cash crisis, the next impossible promise. Before Tesla was a trillion-dollar headline, it was a gamble stacked on top of other gambles. Elon Musk didn't found Tesla in the traditional sense. He joined early, invested heavily, and quickly took control. And from the beginning, the goal wasn't to compete with car companies. It was to humiliate them. Electric cars at the time were jokes, tiny, slow, designed to make drivers feel virtuous, not excited. Musk wanted an electric car that felt inevitable, fast, beautiful, better than gas. But wanting something doesn't make it manufacturable. Tesla's first car, the Roadster, was a nightmare behind the scenes. Delays, exploding costs, engineering problems stacked on top of supply failures. By 2008, Tesla was almost out of money. At the same time, Musk's other company, SpaceX, was also close to collapse. Two companies, two countdowns, one bank account. Musk later admitted that if one more SpaceX launch had failed, everything would have ended. Tesla survived that year not because the plan worked, but because reality blinked first. The Model S changed everything. For the first time, an electric car didn't feel like a compromise. It felt superior. Fast acceleration, minimalist design, software updates. Tesla wasn't just selling a car, it was selling the idea that the future had arrived early. But success didn't calm Tesla. It accelerated it. Instead of consolidating, Tesla expanded. More factories, more models, more promises. Then came the Model 3. This was the moment Tesla tried to jump from niche brilliance to mass market domination. And this is where chaos became visible. Musk promised numbers the factory couldn't hit. Machines were installed before processes were finalized. Automation was pushed beyond its limits. When the robots failed, humans replaced them. Sleeping bags appeared on factory floors. Shifts blurred into each other. Burnout became normal. By 2018, Tesla was bleeding cash. Short sellers circled like vultures. Wall Street predicted collapse again. This time felt different. Musk moved into the factory, not symbolically, literally. He slept there, worked around the clock, micromanaged everything. To some employees, he was inspirational. To others, terrifying. Deadlines didn't move. Reality did. Mistakes were made publicly. A tweet about taking Tesla private triggered investigations. Market volatility followed. Trust wavered. But something strange happened. Tesla survived again. Production stabilized. Cash flow turned positive. The narrative flipped. The same chaos that nearly destroyed Tesla became its myth. Traditional automakers had laughed. Now they scrambled. While they debated EV's strategies, Tesla had already built infrastructure, charging networks, software ecosystems, direct-to-consumer sales. Tesla wasn't optimized for comfort. It was optimized for speed. But speed has consequences. Executives burned out. Leadership churned. Critics questioned safety, culture, and sustainability. And above it all was Musk. Brilliant, erratic, impossible to ignore. Tesla didn't just depend on its CEO, it orbited him. When Musk focused, Tesla surged. When he was distracted, volatility followed. Investors learned they weren't just betting on a company, they were betting on a personality. Tesla almost won by doing everything wrong at the right time. It broke rules others wouldn't touch, ignored conventions others relied on, moved faster than systems designed to slow change. But the same traits that saved Tesla could still undo it. Because genius without limits doesn't settle, it escalates. Tesla didn't almost win because it was safe. It almost won because it was reckless and survived long enough to normalize the impossible. And that's the real lesson. Not that chaos is good, but that hesitation is fatal. Tesla didn't wait for permission. It forced the future to catch up, and the world is still chasing it.